guys, dito na kami guys. Yan si Laila. Dito na si Laila. Dito si Daddy. Daddy, wala siyang gana kumain guys kasi nagninipin siya. Tingnan nyo guys, nagninipin na siya. See her. She's already. Look at the teeth of Laila. Oh no. Walang gana kumain. Abordo. Oh, show me your teeth. Nangingipin na siya guys. First teeth niya. First teeth ni Laila. Nagyoyoy. Okay. Meron na siya. Laila. Show me that teeth. Ayan na guys. May teeth na siya. Ala, may teeth na si Laila. May teeth na. Ang teeth na. First teeth ni Laila. Bili ng daddy niya guys. Oh, careful. My God, nagkano na talaga siya. Matayo na. Careful. Ito bagong upuan niya guys. Bili ng daddy niya. Where are you going? Yan siya. New bed. Matutupi ito siya guys. She's laughing. Hey, Laila, where are you going? Laila going to the beach. Look this one. Dito na kami guys. So where's the houses na? Dito maraming naliligo. There are a lot of people who go swimming, ha? Daming ano. Yung lalaking. This ones look like in Arab house design.
Check the ticket.
Okay. So guys, nandito na kami guys. So dyan sa Breton Beach dito sa Melbourne. Hindi naman kami mag-swimming guys. Magano lang kami dito. Maglalakad-lakad, titingin-tingin lang siya. And then yan. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay dito. Ang yayaman ng mga nakatira. Sabi ni Brett. Usually yung mga artista. Ang laki ng bahay guys. Oh. At andito si Laila. Ayan. She didn't cry guys. She is very good. We are here. Daddy is checking. Checking daddy. He's checking guys the ticket. So let's go. Laila. She's laughing. Ada, why the tongue out? Why tongue out? Look at that. Ang ganda guys. Hintayin namin yung sunset. Look at that, so beautiful. It's big. Hi guys. Hi. Maybe we will build that one in Philippines. Huh, Laila? Excited. Right, Laila? kami guys. Guys, nandito kami guys, oh. Layla! Ang ganda dito. Ang dami naliligo. Ano siya guys, oh. Layla! Did you take her?
Yeah.
Where?
The pocket.
Ah, okay.
Look how beautiful.
Nice. Since the water is cold,
And look at the view.
that's the city.
That's spot, yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Oh.
Good photo with the Aussie.
That's why a lot photo shoot here, huh?
Photo shoot.
Huh? Ang ganda guys.
Look at the water, how clean, beautiful.
But it's cold now. But look, a lot people. Lot people there. We will go have photo shoot later. Look the house, huh? Oh my god.
That's the
Celebrity house. Oh my. Ang ganda niya guys. Tapos yun yung sa city guys. Yun siya. Sa city yun siya. Kaya mahal ang bahay. Layla! She's very happy. Ah! Give me headband. Don't drop your bow. You want me to take picture? It's nice. You like it, Layla? Look. Layla. Layla, Layla, you're here. First time.
That's ground with the house.
Tour tayo guys. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, ano? Ang ganda dito guys. Ang ganda dito sa ano. Yan yung mga bahay-bahay, storage. Walking lang kami. Ito na maraming na dito. Maraming nagpo-photoshoot. Hi guys. Ito tayo guys. Pictorial tayo. Choo. Lapit na yung sunset. Okay, we'll have picture with daddy. Layla. Layla. She's not looking. Layla. Layla. Daddy is here. Layla. Layla, Layla. She's very busy. Almost there, huh? Sunset. Give me. Open mouth. Ah, open mouth. Open mouth. Come in.
I did go. Have the vision. I did no. I did go to Kirko to have lunch a couple of times. But only twice.
Nice places there in Calcutta? No, I wish I was going to food and going to the beach and sitting in the beach.
Layla.
Tagalog.
Lucky it's soft.
Some this looks familiar. There, one is look familiar in YouTube. Bilin. Hi po.
No.
Yummy. I didn't bring tissue, baby. Let people now. Tao guys, marami ng tao, may mga Pinoy, ito sila mga Pinoy, yan Pinoy.
Come to the waterline there one more time.
Okay
Hey?
guys, mag ano na siya, sunset, kaya nandito kami guys, mag sunset na siya. Ang daming tao na guys. Kami guys. Laila, we're going home. Ni Elsa. Ready? Ah, that one is nice. I'll go with my daddy. Come on.
Laila.
Look at daddy. I can see. Here. What about you? Hi. Uwi na kami guys. Ang ganda niya. Hello. She's very happy. Layla. Look, she's shaken. You are Marte. You didn't hold daddy's head. Oh, sorry.